What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. Thanks for coming out. Today I'm smoking up foie gras. Foie gras, AKA fattened duck or goose liver. Best foie gras I've ever had was in Europe, and that came from a goose. But in America, more than likely you're gonna get your foie gras from a duck like this one. And I'm gonna be honest, I have never smoked foie gras before. I've smoked liver recently on my channel. I did a smoked beef liver and onions video. If you like liver and onions, go take a look, some good eating. And after I did that video, I was like, well, hold on there, Jethro, I got some foie gras in the freezer. I gotta take it out, and of course, I gotta try and smoke it. There's so many different ways you can make foie gras. You can sear it, you can make it into a pate. Again, never smoked it. This is gonna be a pass or fail attempt. If it passes, great. I think it's gonna be pretty good with the recipe that I have in mind. If it fails, then I just wasted a lot of money. But I think it's gonna be pretty good. There's only one way to find out, right? Give it a try, pop it in the smoker. And you'll notice that the liver I have here is in cubes. You can get foie gras as a whole liver, but this is basically just the trimmings around that liver. Still the same grade of that liver, still the same foie gras taste from that liver. Just presentationally, it doesn't look as nice. That's pretty much the only difference. As you can see, not a lot of stuff on the table here for prep. Since I've never done it before, I'm not doing anything too crazy. I just got a couple things, so let's get started. First, I have a bottle of brandy. At least I think it's brandy, just got it from the bar downstairs. Not too shabby, not too shabby. That's gonna go pretty good. I'm just gonna get a bowl, make it a little bit easier because we're gonna get a brush and we're just gonna paint our foie gras with the brandy. Little happy livers, little happy trees. A light brush, just a light coat. Happy livers. Bob Ross, painting foie gras. Into that, I just have equal parts salt and pepper, baby, nothing crazy. Sprinkle it on. Turn your chunks of liver over. Foie gras. Some brandy, some salt and pepper. That's it. All there is to it for this foie gras. Ready to pop her in the smoker. We're going with the Masterbuilt today. Gonna get it set 250 degrees. Wood chips, going with some maple. Figured you got that brandy on there, a nice sweet maple wood. Will go good on this foie gras. Let that get to temp. While that's getting to temp, you can get the rack from your Masterbuilt. Put your cubes right on the rack. All right, we got our smoker up to temp. Get your tray. And get your foie gras right in the smoker. I do have a foil pan underneath our smoker there. Foie gras is like 90% fat is gonna drip down. We're not gonna let this go too long at 250, about a half hour to an hour. We'll come back out and check it, then we'll pull them and eat. All right, so we are right at the 30-minute mark. I don't know, guys, I took a look. You do lose a lot of your size, a lot of shrinkage. Look at all of that fat right there from the foie gras. But you do have some good color. We're gonna take it on and keep pushing forward to get our foie gras out. Nice and easy. And you have your pieces. I had a torch here. I don't think I'm gonna use it. And you wanna know what? It tastes as good as I thought it would get taste. You can still get some of your slices and put it on a burger. You can definitely make this into a pate. I'd consider it a win. A piece like this is perfect. Gotta watch out for the grill grates because it gets so messy. Look at this again, hold on a second. This right here, that's liquid gold. keep that. You can see some of the pieces fell through. Not a lot though. It's just this rich, buttery, smooth, it just melts in your mouth. That maple wood, that sweetness from the maple wood really does complement that sweetness from the brandy and that salt and pepper. I probably would have cold smoked it to keep that nice, thick cube shape to it, but it was a good experiment. You do still have some good, thick, rich, buttery pieces of duck liver. It really does melt in your mouth. It's crazy. You can get some of that. Look at all this fat right there. I'm taking the pieces right out of there because it's worth it to just scoop it up and suck it off your fingers. A decent experiment to try if you're gonna eat it like this as a snack. Snacks. If you want to try something different, if you're curious about trying foie gras and you want to try it in a smoker, you get some good smoky pieces. It'll be good in a pate. Hey, smoke foie gras, baby. Try it out. So get some foie gras, put it in your smoker. Stay tuned for the next video. That was a good piece of goddamn foie gras though, I'll tell you what.